Hello, in this video, I am going to be explaining what are the Zoom class meetings that we see listed here on our schedule for every Tuesday and every Thursday from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. The district is really wanting teachers to be able to connect with students as a way for students to talk with one another, talk about their assignments, talk about how their day is going, just to continue to have that community time, even though we are practicing social distancing at this time. So we are required on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. to have a Zoom class meeting with all students. So that means all 25 students will they'll have a class. I'll have a class code here, and they will go to Zoom through Clever. So here is Zoom on the Clever on my teacher homepage. They will click Zoom. The code that I put here for the week will be there, and students can type that code in to join in on our class meeting. Um, each week, I will have different topics, and you can click here to see what the topics are for our community time. So the first day will be just sharing expectations, Zoom rules, um, and catching up with each other. Crazy Hat Day, and so on and so forth. So you can look here to see what Tuesday's topics are, as well as Thursday topics are. If you have any other questions about Zoom meetings, how to access the Zoom meetings, or the purpose of them, please feel free to reach out to me and I will be sure to get back with you to answer any questions you have. Thank you.